What's up, YouTube? I'm Justin Frascona. Today we're going to be replacing this door panel. This is a 2009 Mercedes-Benz E350. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel if this helps you. I got a whole bunch of videos on W211 content, I think like 35, maybe 40 now, something like that. We just hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, so thank you everybody who's been subscribing. Thank you everybody who's been commenting, and I hope this video helps you out. So let's dive right into it. Alright, I apologize everybody, it is pretty windy out today, but I gotta get this changed quickly. So what we're gonna do first thing, we're gonna pop open the ashtray. We'll pull this first piece out, it just slides right out. When you're here in the ashtray, there's two small pieces that are here at the sides. We have to get a flathead in there. Sorry, something just hit the camera. Very easy, comes right out. As you can see, these are the two pieces I'm talking about. You slide your flathead in, and you just push it down, slide your flathead in, push it down, and it literally pops right out. Awesome little piece there. Alright, so now that we've got this removed, the ashtray here, we're going to go ahead and pop this piece off right here. To do that, we're going to use the same flathead. If you have a plastic trim tool, use that. It'll be better for it. I'm going to use the flathead. Just get it right underneath, pop it, and it literally just slides right out pretty easily. This little panel right here. Alright, so now we got to take some bolts out. So the first bolt that we're going to start with, apologize, is, let's see if you guys can see that. This one right here, it's a T20. Alrighty, I got that one removed. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next ones. Alright, so to remove these three screws, we got one here, and one here. These are a T27. Just go ahead and take these out. Two, last one, three. Cool. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is remove this door lock here. So to do that, you're just going to turn it and just keep turning it until it comes out. Shouldn't take too much. Let's see. Perfect, we got it out. You can see the actual piece here inside the door. That's going to stay. You're just taking this plastic piece out there. Alrighty, so the next part is we're going to pull the door panel off. To pull the door panel off, we're going to first pull out from the bottom, then we're going to push up. It's got to do both, so out and then up. Let's give it a shot. Grab it from right here. Got it out. Make sure these clips are out up here. Clips are out over there. Alright, so now we see it's loose. We're going to push up over here. We got a clip still hanging on over here somewhere. Oh, I think we missed one screw. We did. I apologize. There's one screw underneath this SRS thing that we did not get. Forgot about this one. There we go. Boom. That's why it's not coming out right now. T27, so it's 4 screws total, T27, totally forgot about this screw. Grab that right now. No missing screws. Alright, so now we got that last screw out. We should be able to go ahead and pull it out all the way. That's it, boom, we're out. We got some wires here behind. Okay, we got the door panel off. I want to show you a trick here. So the most difficult piece is probably this piece to take off. So basically what you have to do is you have to open your door latch all the way. You'll be extending this cable. It'll be here like so. And then what you're going to want to do is push up from it just to unlatch it. Keep sliding the cable forward, and then you can slide it out of this groove that's right here, and then the door panel will come off. You'll also have to disconnect one of these cables, which is hidden right behind the soundproofing right here. You got this other cable here, which is I think for your door controls, and then we had to disconnect one cable here for the tweeter, and then that's all. Alright, we got the new door panel here. As you can see, it's in okay condition. It's got a couple little things here, little tear down here at the bottom, nothing terrible. Grill has like a little discoloration to it, so I think I'm gonna pull that off and swap it with the other one. If I'm not mistaken, they just pop off. Yep, boom, pops right off. Let's see here. Might be hard to see on the camera. You put my hand behind it. It's like some paint came off there. I got my mother's VLR. Got a little rag here. We're gonna go ahead and spray it down real quick. Wipe it up, make it look nice and pretty. Might be a little bit too much, but that's just perfect. And I'm gonna let it sit for just maybe like 30 seconds or so. Let some of the vinyl absorb this. This is specifically made for vinyl, leather, and rubber. That's why it's called Mother's VLR. Great product. This is a great product to clean. It doesn't leave like that film after that Armor All leaves, makes everything like slippery. It just leaves it shiny. It's nice and smooth, no slippery, so you can use it like on your steering wheel, your dash pedal, like all of it. It doesn't make anything slippery. I love it. But I think that's long enough. I'm gonna go ahead and start working it in, cleaning it up. Alright YouTube, so we got the door panel installed, we got all the trim pieces back on, cleaned it up one more time, it's looking good. A couple more cleanings, I'm going to have this Mercedes-Benz text leather or whatever it is, this vinyl leather. Back to being as good as new. Window works, speakers work, I tested them already as well, no issues there. Door opens and closes just fine. Lock works just fine as well. Everything's good. I really like this door panel. It matches the rest of my interior. The original door panel was ripped here. That's why I changed it to the other one. The leather one was the only one I could find at the time. I waited for a good deal on one of these on eBay to pop up. I got this one for $86. It looks great. It has a couple little wear marks here and there, but it's nothing terrible. And I really like that the wood trim is the exact same. Everything's the same. But yeah, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to the channel if these type of videos help you. I have about 40 videos on W211 content. You can go to my playlist on my YouTube channel and check them out. Thanks again, 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all of you. That's it. I'm Justin. Thanks for watching.